Welcome guys, today we are going to look at how we can add our text and dimensions on this floor plan. So let's get started. So here we're going to go on layer and we can add a new layer which we can just call text like that. We can also assign it a color put it yellow, on OK, then we can close and we can just bring this down and select the text color there. Once you're done with this, you can go here where it says text and single line. So here and just click on the auto mode there and there. So this is our kitchen. Like that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to select this and I'm going to say copy selection, turn off the auto mode now, copy this here, there, here, here, the passage, okay. I think that's it. So once you're done with this, you can just go on escape. You can start naming these. You can say this is the bathroom. Have the bathroom again. Like that. Then here, this is the master suite. So let's just master like that. This is a bedroom. See, that is the bedroom 3. Bedroom 3. That is the bedroom 4. Bedroom 4. Then here we have our lounge. And this is our bar. passage, and here you have our dining room. But our dining room like that. After I've done this, we can add our text now. I mean our dimensions. So you can go here on standard, then here go where it says modify, and then I'm going to set my arrow. My arrow will be 130. Okay, like that. Then here the text, let's say fit. Okay, the height, and the height I'll make it to be 170. And I'll go on OK, and I'll say set current, and I'll go on close. Then here I can just go here, I'll go on linear, then I can start making my dimensions like that. I think these are too big. I think I should reduce. Select this and I'll delete. Then I'll go here, standard. Okay, just click here and I'll select standard. The standard one. Then I'll go on modify. Then here the height of 170. I'll just put it 120. Oh my god. 120 like that. Let's say my text. Let's say the arrow. Put it 110. Now go on OK, and I'll go on set current, and I'll go on close, and I'll go here, and I'll go on linear, that, and there to there. Yeah, we reduced it, but still quite big. We reduce it again, maybe to 100. Okay, let's go here. So this I modify. Type. I'll say 90 now. Okay, 90. Yeah, 90. Press on enter. So modify. Okay, it's 90. Then the arrow, and put it at 70. And I'll go on enter. I'll go on OK. Set current, and I'll go on close. Then I'll go here. I'll select the linear. That is there. I think this is much better. Okay, here to here. I think this is okay. can use this, then go there to there, right? Then press on enter, make a line here to there, like that. Enter again, line here to here, enter. Enter here to here, like that. Press on enter, then you can make a line like that. Press on enter again, can make here a line coming down like that. Okay, make a door here. On the door we can make some dimensions over here. Even here, even on the window. Okay, like that. And we are done with here. Then we can make some dimensions here. Press on enter. There to there. Enter again. Make some dimensions here. Make some dimensions here as well. Okay. Go on enter. And make Okay, and last one over here, like that. So this is how you make your dimensions. Okay, and make your dimensions like that. So this is how you can make your dimensions. So you can also try to okay, can make the dimension. This is how you can make your dimensions. So, and we are done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.